Hi, I'm Cullen.
And I'm Pia.
And we're here to bring a message from Laarkmaa about the changes that are occurring and the amazing energies that we're all feeling.
Here we go. Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you. We are certain all of you are feeling the energies that are pouring in right now. As we told you last December, they would come in waves. And you've already had a wave move through in December, a wave move through in January, and now there is another huge wave moving in right now. You can feel it because your physical bodies are adjusting and you're beginning to get more synchronistic opportunities appearing in your lives. Those who are walking the path of light, which everyone interested in listening and watching this is walking on the pathway of light, will feel it more intensely than those around you who have attached to the third dimensional reality. Know that this is an opportunity for you to evolve more fully into who you truly are. The winds of change are coming more and more swiftly now, so you can feel it as more solar radiation comes in, as more volcanic and earth eruptions and earthquakes happen on the planet, as your weather shifts and change. Everything is changing all around you, so we know you can feel it. You feel it in your bones. You feel it in your sleep patterns. You feel it in your digestion and your differences in what you wish to eat. You feel it in the light that comes through unexpectedly with those aha moments. You feel it in the synchronous connections when you think of someone and they appear. All of this is showing the acceleration of the energies, wiping away the illusion of time and bringing in more and more awareness of energy as it constantly moves and changes. This is an auspicious time. It has been a time of challenge for quite some while now, and you're about to move into the magnificent energies with a huge shift coming in just a month from now, in March, at the spring equinox in the northern hemisphere, fall equinox in the southern hemisphere. Equinox, as we have told you before, is a point of change. A point where everything shifts, and this time, this year, the shift will be much larger than usual. We're inviting you to join us in our presence by connecting yourselves to Pleiadian energy anytime you wish energetically. While we only speak through Pia and Cullen, we do reach back to all those who are asking for Pleiadian support. We are here with you. We love you and we support you. We help you clear your traumas and show you your gifts and talents when you ask for a session through Pia and Cullen. We do everything we can to help you prepare for this time of great change. We will be speaking in Sedona in 1 month at the Sedona Ascension retreat, where the energies may be light enough that it is a potential that you may even be able to raise your frequency enough to see that we are right there with you. It's a potential. You are in the position to determine whether that potential manifests or not, which is why we're speaking to you now, because we know you are feeling the chaos all around you of the changes that are happening. Do not despair anything that goes away, but celebrate things that are new, that are arriving. This is the way to move forward in the higher frequency, with gratitude, with love, with light, without expectation, but always with trust that the universe is bringing you exactly what you need. Remember that we'll be showing you how to find tools for ascension all the way through this process. Join us in person if you can, in Sedona. If you cannot be there, then know, as we said, we provide Pleiadian stardust for all who have asked for our energetic support. We love you. Be brave in this time of change, for you are courageous and you are divine sparks of light, each and every one of you. We love you. Good always.
That was certainly a hopeful message. That was an amazing piece of information that things are changing and that we have something positive to look forward to. So I'm really happy that Laarkmaa can bring these messages for all of us.
We're with you. We're all in this together. We'll see you again soon. Lots of love.
Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.
Check out our books, card deck, calendars, and articles at laarkmaa.com. That's LAARKMAA.com.
In just a few weeks, Laarkmaa, Pia, Cullen, and all the other presenters will be gathering in Arizona for the Sedona Ascension Retreat. From March 20th through the 22nd, the focus in Sedona will be on opening portals and gateways, channeling messages, increasing our intuitive skills, raising our frequencies so that we can see beyond our third dimension, and offering tools for ascension. The incoming energies from our solar system, as well as the love and light from our cosmic families beyond, are supporting our evolutionary leap. If you're planning to join us physically in this amazing opportunity to connect with messages of light and love, but haven't secured your tickets yet, do it now. The link is below in the description. We look forward to seeing you there.